zumbe and can
No, no, additionally,
okay, the Kazan and Karan Reshata, breathing chair, sound chair, I watch your registration. Tango big revision chebana, Kongave Kablata, formal meditation, the informal meditations, and two. So informal meditation, then there's a way to how to do this posture. The posture you can listen to the posture again. And informal, there's no posture. So informal, you can sit, you can stand, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can walk, or you can just have fun in the bathroom, but still you can do meditation. So it's a kind of informal meditation. Okay, 이직시. 다 가상 안쪽이 sitting 거라 기지시에버려. And 7-point posture of Verochana. So the first one is what? Dojikidonwa. It's the Vajra. So this posture is directly related to the secret chakra. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, just by sitting Pasana or Vajrasana, it actually opens the secret chakra. Therefore, it's very important. Okay, and then there's an energy called downward clearing energy. Turla selva. Turla selva. Its main function is to throw your waste. We do popo and pee, and it's all possible because of that energy called downward clearing, to clear something, downward clearing energy, downward clearing prana. 제가 투세 제가 도지기동도 대바 니기 투세기 일롱 then it starts working. Okay, sometimes we may have constipation, okay, or diarrhea, and in the case, let's say in terms of sexual energy, for example, they have period, right? And puina sperm the function of the sperm, and this is actually controlled by this downward clearing chi. Okay, so if you know how to sit Dojikidong, Vajrasana, then actually the energy start working. Okay, and it also opens the secret chakra. That's why this posture is very, very important. Okay, and there are many more things to say, but for the time being like that. Good. Second posture is hands in Musha. So Nyamsha is left here, Nyamsha, okay? This one, and then touch like this, and 4 fingers with below your navel. So like this, you keep. So this is related with the navel chakra. Tagidi samwe kolor wata, thandakara tewe kolore. Tewe kolor. So it basically opens the navel chakra. And then in the navel chakra, there is a main energy called Menyam Gilung, fire-like energy. So it's all related with your digestion. Okay. So if you can actually keep like this, it has a lot of meanings, Okay, so it will help you to basically make the fire like chi working. 레가치에 고추 그러다. 그래서 매념기 룽디 아니 냠샤도 라관 냠샤도 제두갈라 then it opens first. 대와 예 세르 되벨라 더 와야다 양마야다 예 대와 chakra, and there's a in a special energy called Menyam Gilung, fire-like energy. And fire-like energy, then digestion takes place. So people who have digestion problems, digestion problems, you see, it's all related with that energy called fire-like energy. So now, okay, so the best posture is nyamsha, second posture. And the third posture is shoulder. So shoulder should be like that of vultures. It's not like this. This tukumyu vulture do ya jagu do ade. Chagu the vultures, you know, the wings like this. It's up, and then not like, we shouldn't do like this. You know, first up, and then completely relax and keep little space in the armpit. Those to the nyamsha. Gogi shokwa yangwa tarla. Gogi shokpasana, chagogi shokwa yangwa nashi, and pato, gabla pato, you know, just in space. So this again, basically it has no specific chakra, but in terms of 5 chakras, but actually the 12 major joints in our body. Yadwa, wrist, elbow, shoulder. So 3, 6. Then we have hip, then we knee, and then we have ankle. So these 12 joints, you see, they are also considered to be 12 chakras in Tibetan Buddhist tradition. Okay, so this chi called pervasive, pervasive energy, what's its function? Movement. Every movement in our body is possible because of that energy. So you see, it has a lot of meaning in why you keep the, you know, shoulder not like this or not like this. You know, you have to do like this. Okay, 3, then 4. The fourth posture is keeping your spine straight. It should be the tip of the spear, or it should be straight like that of an arrow. So this is related with the heart chakra. Okay, heart chakra. So again, heart chakra, then it basically opens the heart chakra, okay, by just standing and keeping your spine straight. And then inside the heart chakra, there is again one energy called Sokzingi Lungla. Everybody has a life, so it's called the life holding energy. Okay, life holding energy. Socks the catching with shurwa. The gisi de shuku de dugala yahoyaman kaduning. You should keep your spine straight because it opens the heart chakra, and the energy that lies, that abides within the heart chakra, it's to function. So this related with all the diseases, you know, regarding the heart and the lungs. This is your wa. So because inside the ribs you have 2 main organs, the heart and the lungs. And mind you, then be here, right there. Then we have stomach, starting the digestion. Basically, it starts from here, but stomach, then up to the small intestine. The digestion takes place, right? Then they throw the waste in the big intestine. Then you do chakra, Songzing. It's called life holding energy. Okay. Then ngaba dekare ani dimba sigrang cook samcho. Indesha yuamare. You should actually don't carry the head, because head is very heavy. Balance it using the gravitational force. So when you balance, then you don't need to carry. So in the future, when you practice meditation for a long period of time, you sit like this, then you have to carry your head, then go like this, boom, like this. Or you keep it like this, and it will move back. So you must find the balance. Okay, then so this basically opens the throat chakra. Dimbe kolo kachi resla. Yes, technically called ye means kachi res. It opens the throat chakra. And again, there is one energy called upward moving energy. So basically, then you see, sometimes you cannot drink, sometimes you cannot swallow properly. That means it's not working. Some people who stammer, it's in English. So this stammering problem is not related with the upward moving chi, upward moving energy. So there are many yogic exercises, in the Tibetan tradition, how to open up the throat chakra and how to make the upward move workable. So these 5 very important. Okay, first 5 postures are very important for meditation. If you're really practicing, if you're going to practice meditation seriously, then you should learn how to sit these 5, because they are all related with the 5 chakras, and then it's also related with the 5 major energies. Sabelunga, kolonga, kusan du dewa yor de cha de yor. Kusan ta kolonga de jizu de le de yor. Jizu de le so ba ta jizu de zo de kapje men gi shedan da nga ge shedan tos lo ha yor. You should I give a drama and it's 5 energies and related with the 5 chakras. So it's the 5 sitting postures are very important. So keep this in mind. So that's additional information regarding what we studied last time. Then what should I say? Okay. So now we know the posture. Okay. So now anyway, just try to keep your spine straight, which is the most important one, and relax your muscles. Beginner, we close our eyes and take a long breath and release. We do 3 times. Okay, now we will count up to 7. So you count 1, 2, 3 up to 7. And then again, you start again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 1. So we'll do up to 21. Set of 7, okay? So that the distraction will be less, okay? So breathe in and breathe out and mentally count 1 like this, okay? And keep your spine straight. Relax your muscles. Kizi tumble, shout. Now we'll start. Okay, relax. And now listen to the sound again for 1 minute. Continue your breath, relax. And just watch. Okay. Slowly open your eyes. Then we learned Om Ahum. So Om Ahum you practice yourself. Okay, good. Now today, Teringita Joshi, I'll teach you two, again, techniques of meditation. But before that, that 항복하두에네 만족이 항복하두 대결돼. Even if we keep our body postures straight, but then there's so many dirty energies in our body. 그래서 배백이 되라 배격이나 lung chorbu 쓰거다. Lung means energy. Like 야게겔라 chi 쓰기도 in Chinese, or in Korea they say ki like 먼저 키던 봉구요와 키던 힘이 say ki 쓰기도. So they say ki, chi. So Sanskrit word is prana. 배백이 lung 쓰게. Tibetan word is lung. And energy is not wind, not air. The best is energy. Best translation is energy. So we have, in everyday English language, it has a very bad energy, Many years back when they talk about it, I have many students, they say, oh, what a nice energy here. Then like, when they visit the library, and then we have scriptures, very, very precious scriptures. These, especially women, they can feel the energy, and I'm really confused. What do they feel? I know we never talk about energy like that, so it's very interesting. So anyway, in our everyday, oh, he has a bad energy or she has a good energy, this kind of thing, you see. So inside our body so we must clean that energy every day, possible twice a day. Okay, so that's why I usually teach, like, our body is like a cup, and so usually we wash and mute session. Usually you just wash it, right? But when we wash the cup, we not only wash outside and inside, right? But when we wash our body, we wash only outside, not inside. So I'm going to teach you how to wash inside our body, okay? So that is done through what we call 9 rounds of breathings for purification of impure energy. So in Tibetan, lungro gutuk sire. lung ro, rana ro rode. Gu 9, tuk means set. Okay? Parada tashi to tuk kase tuk. Tuk set. So we do 3 and 3. Okay? So it become a set. So lung means energy, as I told you. Ro lana, rana ro means nigro sigro in Tibetan. Say nigro, shingdo nigro, and mishitsane, the corpse, dead body, we call it ro, right? So it has the connotation of dirtiness. Okay, so lung ro sidu, lung bobu, gutuk. Okay, go 9, tuk. So 9 rounds of breathing, so purifying our impure, stale energy within our body. So there are many ways of doing it, but if you really want to know how to do it, then you can go to YouTube and click my name, and I have put that there, so you can learn it properly. But today I'm just going to teach you how to breathe in and out. Okay, so Simo. Sinasa, the ring finger, base of the ring finger, you put your thumb, okay? And then, okay, like this, and make it, okay? Like this, and then put it on your knee. Good? So, oh, it's okay, fine. So if you really want to do this, you see, you just learn from the YouTube, because we have not much time. Usually when I teach 9 rounds of breathing, it takes about 3 hours only, So today I will just teach you to breathe in and out. You do like this, not like this, okay? Raise your right hand, and with the tip of your index finger, cover the right nostril, okay? And then you breathe in from the left nostril, and out. Breathe in. Okay? No. If I do like this, wait a minute. That's maybe like this symbol, yeah. I'll use like this, but actually there's a way to do it, but today we'll use like this, okay? Okay, we will close the right nostril, the right index, okay? Then breathe in. Hold it and change the finger, back of the index finger, close the left nostril and breathe out. So that's one. Again, we do the same thing, back, breathe in. And again, breathe out. Again. And breathe out. So hold the breath outside and raise your left hand and close the left nostril. Okay, breathe in. And breathe out. In and out. In and out. Now breathe in from both nose and breathe out from nose. Okay, start. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so that's the pattern of breathing. Okay, so for male and female, there are different ways of doing, not different ways. Actually, it's opposite, but I'll talk about this later. You just learn how to breathe in and out. Okay. So now more about itself. Okay, first blow your nose. Blow your nose properly. Go and get some napkins. So while he's asking question, you Mute. Yes, what's your question?
Do we have to breathe in through our diaphragm or lungs?
Gila mute with it.
Yeah.
No, gila two
Okay.
sense.
We do edit get you gonna. Okay. Both good. Two goes. So we'll talk about the breath, okay? Actual way to do it, there are many ways, but just for I just simplify it, okay? So remember to close the base of the ring, okay? Tight. Don't release this until you finish, okay? Until you finish. So this is a part of the Tibetan pranayama called Vipa. Breathe in, okay? Then we have feel in, then we have channelization, and then breathe out. So this four mean lungi jowa shisire. Move, gang, feel in, okay, shil, channelize, or you can sometimes say centralize. But for us, it's just then we breathe out. Okay, so in the most of the yoga's practice here, they say breathe in, okay, breathe out. So the two middle important points are, okay, so I'll talk about this later. So anyway, so before we practice this lungi jowashi, first we always do biba. So biba, the most common biba, biba is purification. It's called done through 9 rounds of breathing. And I'll teach you two or three other techniques later, but that is how you wash your internal bad energy from the body. So it actually has so many benefits. Okay, we'll talk about benefits maybe next week. Okay, during the revision, although it's not revision. Okay. Now keep like this, remember, and put it on your knee. Okay. Now we did 3 sets of breathing. So first set of breathing is called, it's called Maningi lung sire. Maningi lung. So it's basically, if I translate neutral, it's very bad. So we say natural breathing. So natural breathing. Natural breathing has 3 qualities: long, gentle, no sound. Okay? Long, gentle, no sound. Ringbu, jambu, dame. Okay? So when we do like this, when we did the first one, yeah? So it's very long, yeah? Long, gentle, so that you will not feel the hair moving inside your nose. So it should be very gentle. And hold a little bit when you change. And again, when you breathe out, it's same, long, gentle. Okay. Next, then we do feminine breathing. Mölung sire. Maningi lung, mölung. Mölung is a feminine breathing. So it's again long, gentle, a little sound that you can hear. Okay. So when I breathe, you will hear, because you see like this. And then hold. So here you hear that, right? Because yeah. And the third breathing is called masculine breathing. Pölung. Pölung. I taught you all wrong. Anyway, I was right, not wrong. Okay. So masculine, short, opposite of gentle is rough and a lot of noise. Okay, remember, Ringbo, Jambo, Dameva, first breathing. Second, Ringbo, Jambo, Tato, Suzukoej. Somebody, Tungdung, Supo, Japechumbo. Okay. So it's very interesting, you know. They never do natural breathing. They are very short. They say, "Have you go? Shut again," like this, you know. So when you get angry, they're not peaceful, you know. They really breathe short, and you can hear the sound. Okay. So now the diorwa decha shedang timung lai shorwa. The timuk kabla when we have timuk, which is ignorance. Okay. And then it's long, gentle, no sound. When I have decha, okay, which is attachment, then we have long, but when you have hatred, all this, then it's short, rough, and lot of, okay, lot of noise. So this is very much related, you know. It's interesting, it's related with the 5 poisons, it's related with the 3 poisons, 3 poisonous toxum, the pneumo toxum is related with the, what we call the, and the 3 diseases, you know, it's very interesting. Okay. And I'm making it 3, and actually we actually breathe in and out. The range is 27 from each nose. So 27 from here, 27 from here, and 27 from both. So that makes 81. So basically from one nose, there are 27 different ranges of breathing. So we divide it into 9, so that becomes 9. So it's 9, you know, 9 again, we break it, and then it becomes 3. Okay, so that's why there's a lot of information. So you just keep in mind, okay, 3 types of breathing. Okay, so so all you breathe from the belly. Okay, so you breathe in completely and then breathe out completely. Even when you are doing masculine, you breathe out completely. And stop. So now we do this, okay? Do this carefully, and then you see what happens in your body and what happens in your head. Okay, so it's very interesting actually. You can feel the sensation, you can feel you will tell me the experience, breathing system. You check it yourself, and also feel inside your body and feel your head. Okay, so Inda, close your eyes first. Just try to feel your body. Relax. Try to feel that. Try to feel inside of your head. Or dull, you know. And check your breathing also. So now you have a little bit idea about this. Okay, now we'll practice, okay? Now we do this very seriously. Please blow your nose, because when we breathe out, you know, we should really breathe out, you know, completely, okay? Now, ready? Spine straight. You can open your eyes, you know, okay? When you practice, real practice, if you know how to do this, watch how I have 2 videos on that. One is a revision with the red t-shirt that I shot in Ladakh, and one in Dharamsala with the flags around, you know. So in the flags, there is no sound. So I've written some instructions. But in the red t-shirt, then I explain revision, so you can learn this, how to do this, okay? And Chin to learn here in New York, yeah? Right? Did you come? Yeah, I think so.
Regala.
Okay. Ready? Relax. Pay out. Relax. Enough. Okay, first breathe in and breathe out completely. And raise your hands now, right hand. Close your right nostril. Now long, gentle, no sound. No sound. With the feminine, long, gentle, little sound. Now short, rough, and lot of sound. And throw. The breath is out high, outside. Now change your hand. Again, long, gentle, no sound. And breathe out, change long, gentle, no sound. Now feminine breathing, long, gentle, with little sound. And breathe out, same. Now masculine, short, sharp, and lot of sound. And throw. Now keep your hands down. Again, long, gentle, no sound from both nostrils. And breathe out the same. Let's do feminine, long, gentle, with a little sound. Out. Now let's do masculine, breathe in. And throw. Now close your eyes. Now feel. Now feel your head. Do you feel more clear? Clarity, maybe coolness in your head? You become more kind of a sharp. And check your breathing as well. And inside your body as well. Okay, good. So ask questions later since it's recording. So now the benefits I'll tell you next week. So best you do this before you do best. As soon as you get up, you do this. And before you sleep, you do this. There's a lot of benefit and I'll tell you later, okay? Now we'll learn then you can, after this, you can practice meditation after this, in the morning. Then before you go to sleep, because you early in the morning, whatever bad energy stored in our body, you clean early in the morning. So the day will be completely different. And then before you go to sleep, again, you clean all the energy that are stored during the day. So clean this, Okay, it has so many healing properties. You can have sleep, but I talk about more benefits next week. Okay. Now, okay, next topic is visual. So we'll use, I think, the visual or visual objects as a object for the meditation. Okay. So I don't remember where I kept my Koshayana. Okay, it doesn't matter. So now you see, again, another technique. So we use sound as an object for meditation. We use breath as an object for meditation. Then we use recitation, recite Om Ahung as an object of meditation. Okay. Now use visual object. Okay. So best is to find a pebble, black, heavy pebble about the size of your thumb. Okay, about this size, round, spherical, you know. And then you look, you know, keep it distance. Eye color, what do you call that? Jimmy, how do you say this in English?
Eye level.
Eye level, okay. Eye level, best. Okay, like this. Or a little bit down, it's fine. And not very far away and not very close. About hands, I think it's fine. And if you cannot see, you can use glasses, it's fine, you know. And then just use that object as a meditation, okay? Object, which is the support for the meditation. Because diu sira, pegela diu, diu sira, dosina chidanji, diu sidiugala, do chongjongla, diu sira. Chida, dineji pagesha, nabu chinda, ni ma son kausha na ngaran. Dine shobana, ani komgi tena, and del Miguel, just watch. Don't think about the color or the shape. You just watch for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, you know. Okay, like this. So you use that. You start with very small, because when you use big objects, then it has more distraction. Then you can use even, you know, syllables. Use like Om, okay, white Om. You can use red R. Okay, you can use blue, dark blue Hum. Okay, because again, it has a shape and it has a color, right? So it becomes kind of it's a visual object. Then you can use your like Buddha's statue or Buddha's picture, you know. Okay. And what else? Also like dew in Tibetan, dew stick about, you know, this length, stick, you know. Smaller, better. Okay, not very small, and like this for the stick, and maybe about this size for the statue, like that. Okay, so now you maybe try to find something. Try to find an object. Find an object yourself, and then we'll practice. Okay. Oh, I forgot. You can even use the flame of a candle. Okay. We in Tibet, in the past we didn't have, but we use the lamp, butter lamp. So you can use the flame, and then maybe outside, you know. Sometimes when you lay back and just watch the sky, you know, the blue sky, you know. Also, it's an visual object. So practice like this, and then every visual object becomes a support for your meditation. Okay, so first practice, with pebble or stick or hung, or statues like that. So do you have something in front of you? Okay, ready? So I'll use for example, number. I have a clock, wall clock in front of me. So I'll use the number 6. Okay, I can't see properly, so I'll use my Michi. Okay, again in the relax. Take a long breath. Now this time don't close your eyes, yeah, because we're practicing the visual object, so you need eye consciousness. Ready? Breathe in and breathe out. Now watch the object. Samluda, mera khorna, let it korjo. Then just matha. While you are watching the object, you may have thoughts just flying. Don't block it. Let it come, but don't follow it. Just don't forget the object. Your story is about the past, your plans in the future, they just appear. Or any kind of image may come. Doesn't matter, but don't lose the object. Continue. Don't focus too much. Don't make your body tight, mind tight. Don't completely lose it. Just relax and watch. Okay, breathe in and out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Again, let the object relax completely. Breathe in and out. Now this time the object of the meditation, the support of the meditation is again that object. Again, watch without distraction. Continue, start. You may hear sounds around you, doesn't matter, but don't forget this time the visual object. But don't listen to the sound, just watch the object. Just relax and watch. Again, thought may come, let it come, but don't block. But don't follow it. When you follow it, you'll forget the visual object. So don't forget the visual object. Okay, 1 minute done. Good. So this is a new technique, okay? So watching, komgi pen la ta, ngimang the Dutch here. Tangbo de la ukchero ugi changala che ene ngon ene oma hung lani ide sa doji dawala kyawre ta tiring ani migi sungja yu ta diu watanda kyang pe kare pe judang ma khanshi kanda tigi ani diu inenda khalakta king dinde inenda 안다가나 신기 이게 있는다. 내가 그들네 충충 춤부 지겨 말해. 춤부 연안에 다 여러와. 아무 춤주는 것도 아니 그러지는 tempo 차나. 그러면 나 단다 됐다 인도가 되게 주주 두번 충라샤. 내내 이제 그러지는 체험 들어와. 그냥 강나야 된대 콜라도 진 제대로 템베 꾸차간 지만 된 또디 쉐레라도 진 쉐레디에 또 찐당 찐데 믹스해요. 찐코라 나체나 영화 와 영화 시로와 영화 시네는 영화 시네지 그 뉴 이어. So that's about how to practice on using visual objects as support for meditation. Okay. Now we have not much time, so we will learn how to do. Next topic is sensation. Okay. So we'll do 5 minutes. So this time, how should I make sensation? Okay. Press your forehead. Yes. Somewhere here. Just press. The spine straight, close your eyes and press. Good. Okay, now you feel the sensation, right? So when you feel the sensation, keep your hands down and feel it. I will use this sensation, I will use guided meditation. So you listen carefully. Okay. Now pay your attention to the middle of the forehead. Just feel any sensation is fine. Pleasant sensation, unpleasant sensation, or no sensation, neutral sensation, sensation, bad sensation, doesn't matter, just feel it. Okay, now feel the sensation on your crown, Jizula. Close eyes and relax. Spine straight, loosely straight. Just feel the crown. Any sensation is fine. Now back of your head. Now your eyes, right eye and left eye, the eyeballs. If you have sensation, just feel it. Good sensation, fine. Unpleasant sensation, fine. Or neutral sensation, doesn't matter. Just feel it. Just watch and feel. Now feel the nose, right nostril, left nostril. Your cheeks, done by you, your lips, the upper lip and lower lip. Any sensation is fine. Your tongue, the palate, teeth. Watch the sensation in your jaw, Mali. Now feel the ears, right ear, any sensation in this right side, the ear. Left ear. Feel the sensation in your head. Hold. Any sensation is fine. You just watch. The back of your neck, English nape, yeah. And the throat, right side of your neck and left side of your neck. Just feel any sensation is fine. Tingling. Dryness. No. Right side of the shoulder. The right shoulder, feel it. In your arms. Right elbow, feel it. Scan slowly. Forearm, right forearm. Your wrist. Your right thumb. Index finger. Just feel it. Middle finger. Ring finger. Little finger. Feel the palm of your right hand. Any sensations fine. And the back of your hand. Now feel the whole right hand from the tip of the fingers to the shoulder. Just feel. Now your left shoulder. Any sensation is okay. Pleasant, unpleasant, neutral sensation. Feel the forearm, your elbow, your wrist. Again, scan your fingers from thumb, index, middle, ring, little finger. Feel your palm, back of your hand, and feel your left hand from the tip of the fingers to the shoulder. Now feel both arms together. Now feel the right armpit, chungu, and the left armpit, your chest, right chest, left chest. And for 1 minute, feel the breast. Feel your breastbone. Now your stomach and the abdomen and your private part into the bottom. Just feel it. Any sensation is okay. When you have good sensation, don't say it's good. When you have bad sensation, don't say it's bad. When you have neutral, don't say it's neutral. Just feel it. Just relax and feel it. Now feel the whole front part of your body, torso, front part of your torso. Continue to breathe in and out naturally. Now feel the spine, the neck, downwards. Slowly scan upper part, spine, middle part of the spine, the lower part of the spine, and go up to the tailbone. Just feel it. The whole back part. Don't judge the sensations. Just watch. Now feel the right hip. and the fleshy part of your leg, right knee, and below, the calf muscles and the shin bone, right ankle, and feel the sole of the right leg and the fingers, toes, toes. And now feel the whole right leg from the tip of the toes to the hip. Now feel your left hip and the leg, the fleshy part, left knee, calf muscles and the shin, to the ankle, the sole, each toe. Now feel the whole left leg. Now feel both legs together. Now feel your bum and feel the gravity, the pressure, pain, no pain. Doesn't matter, any sensation is fine. Just watch. Now feel the whole body from head to toe. Okay, relax. And open your eyes slowly. And then cover your eyes. Make it warm like this, It's very good for your eyes. And basically after this, you then open your eyes inside the palm. And then do like this and relax. So the whole body sensation, That's how you do a kind of a meditation. The body sensation, the mindfulness. So every you're in present form. So then during that time you will have no past, will not or you will not welcome the future part as well. So you're always in present. How you prolong, your meditation session. So that is it for today. Any questions? Yes. Chiba. Baikina recording 참사는 degree. 망다나 버르들 뚝샤시키나. Roa.
Oh no, no, sir. No, yeah, original.